Let's make a Peppa Pig cake. So I'm starting off by stacking and crumb coating my chocolate cake with vanilla buttercream and milk chocolate ganache. Moving on to the top tier, doing the same thing, chocolate cake with vanilla buttercream and milk chocolate ganache. Putting on the final coat, it's going to be a sky blue cake throughout. And now we're going to start on the fondant. Knead until your fingers bleed. Get that right shade of pink, and then we cut out Peppa Pig's head. Now it's time to do Georgie. I found that the easiest way to do these characters is to cut them out of paper and start with a solid color for the base and then build layers on top of that. It gives it a nice depth and makes it look a little more realistic. Now I'm making some balloons, and this is a good way to use up all of those leftover pieces of fondant. So you see the blue is a kind of marbled effect. Now I'm just cutting out some letters to spell her name. And I'm painting them with a mixture of gold luster dust and vodka to make a little paste, and the vodka dries off and leaves a nice sheen. And I completely forgot to press record when I was decorating the bottom tier. So here we have it. I'm just putting in some bubble tea straws and a center dowel for support for my top tier. And now we're just gonna decorate that little space that you have between the top and the bottom. Final touches, add the strings for the balloons. And voila! There is Anna's Peppa Pig cake. Happy birthday, Anna. Hope you liked the cake.
What?